Yep, hi all, quick video number 2 on LEDs for the DeLorean instrument cluster. So what I've done is I've removed each bulb, cleaned each bulb holder using a Dremel with a sort of fine wire brush on it. Also cleaned each of the surrounding parts here. These are all basically black with bits of sort of, I don't know if it's brass or not, but bits of whatever this material is, copper or brass or something, poking through. So generally they're all black. Sort of very similar really to this one here. So if you can see that, although it's a lot worse on the lights, you can sort of see it's obviously brass in the middle or copper with a layer of dirt and crap around the outside. So that's those. So I've got like generally sort of red ones in there. I think that might be an orange one for the low light fuel, so the fuel item. Then the green ones at the top. Those are all the illumination bulbs, so they're sort of brighter LEDs. So again, I'll clean it up in a minute. Really, just a quick go around and put the little screws back on. Done all those. Cleaned all these up as well. All the contacts here, same as on the harness on the car. Cleaned all that up there. That there's raised up a little bit, but I think that's totally fine. Then cleaned all this up. So hopefully that'll be a bit better now. So what I'll do is I'll put the Binnacle, the cluster back in, plug it in, make sure the lights come on, because I'm not sure if these LEDs work one way round or they work both way round when inserted into the bulb holders. So I'll see what lights up, and then if required, then I can then obviously flip certain bulbs round. So yeah, there we go. So it's looking good so far. And these are the ones I've taken out. So these are ones that illuminate the bulb, the orange ones, and obviously I've replaced all of these, except of course the alternator one, which is I think it's this one here. I think it might be. It's one of those which I've left the standard bulbing, because obviously you need a standard type of bulb. Actually, you can see it up there. It's probably blown as well because it's dark. But yeah, you need a standard one of those bulbs for the alternator to work. So they're all replaced apart from that one, which I've just taken out and cleaned. And there we go. That's it so far. So the next time will be to replace the switch for the miles on the opposite side. But I think this ribbon all looks good really, to be honest with you. Nice one, cheers.